Oh, you can't really see them on here.
Might want to walk a little farther, Andy.
Oh, scary. I'm right here. I'm going to die in a horrible accident.
These are just little bits of smoke.
No, we can almost get them both.
That's one roll.
That was cool.
That's the best one yet.
Oh, I like that one.
Oh, babe, sing it. Born in the USA.
Was it like you were there?
Yeah.
Yes. Without all the smoke. It was great.
Smells like napalm in the morning. I love it.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
I can put this on YouTube. Sierra Vista fireworks. Our rinky dinky fireworks show. It's zoomed in as far. I like going up to the mountain because you can see the display for Huachuca City, for Sierra Vista, for Tombstone, and Bisbee.
It is pretty neat.
They're really small, but you can see them all.
Fireworks.
I know, it's so fun seeing them over the river.
I know, it's like a double show.
It's cool because you can hear the
oh, really?
When it hits the water, and it is like a double show because it's on the river.
Because they're close to Canada with the casino right there.
They float a barge out into the middle of the river.
I say, but it's pretty big.
And yeah, they do it, and you sit on the dock and watch it. It's cool.
That's got to be neat. It is pretty good.
Yeah, this is as far as it zooms.
Trying to hit the blimp.
When's the finale?